Yes, my peers, you are one-on-one with TG Roland Service Company. Here in this video, I want to teach you how to troubleshoot a window unit air conditioner that is not cooling. Meanwhile, you and I don't know the problem. Now, I want to troubleshoot it in a way that if you do it the same way in your country, wherever you find yourself, you still get a result. Stay tuned and see how you do it. Alright, you need to have a device meter, a digital meter that can help you to check and troubleshoot this air conditioner for you to know why it's only the fan that was blowing and the compressor is not blowing. Stay tuned, let's see how it goes. First and foremost, if you have this type of meter, you have to tune it to UR. This digital meter, I have to tune to UR. So what you are going to do here is, when you look here, you see this is a capacitor. There's a capacitor here, and there's the different clips here that's being connected on this capacitor. So I want you to see. Hope the thing is, you are seeing it, right? Alright, now, what you are going to do so far so good, we are going to unplug all these clips on the capacitor. Alright, as you can see, I have removed this other one. I'm going to fold this wire because this wire is for the compressor starting wire. It's different. When you watch, it's only clip wire that is separate. But when you watch here, we have no less than 1, 2, 3, 4 clip wires. These ones are the neutrals. And let's move it together. I'm trying to lose out the capacitor screw. That was the reason why I was not saying anything. As you can see now, the capacitor is out. As it's out now, what you are going to do for you to read this capacitor to know if it is open, you have to remove all these clip wires. I'll remove this one. All of them gathered there is neutral. They are working the same thing, neutral. Alright, as you can see, this is 25 macrophiles capacitor, 25 macrophiles. In a normal word, we call it 25 UF capacitor. For the macrophile, it's the technical terms of the word out there. Alright, what you are going to do is very simple. You will now read to know what is remaining here, if this capacitor is good or not. Alright, let's go. I can't wait for the Alright. I want to show you guys what I see, that what is remaining inside. Is it showing? Yeah. What is remaining here is 24.51 macrophile or capacitor. Now, it's not showing you that this capacitor is okay. Now, for the reason why the compressor is not starting, it's not coming from this place. Now, we are done with this checking of capacitor line. Let's check on that thing that can make this compressor not to start. Stay tuned and see how it goes. In that case, you have to reconnect this place back. Let's go. The way you have to reconnect is that when you check this terminal, we have 2 terminals here. Here is 4 terminals. This 4 terminal is for the neutral. That's why you reconnect all the neutrals. The single wire that is starting, which is this black wire which I pulled, is going to be connected here back. Whatever thing you don't understand in this video, drop your comments. I'm going to reply you back for you to get the work right. Make sure you share and subscribe to this channel. We love you guys. Stay tuned. We are working. Yes, as you can see, the 4 terminals have been connected. They have been connected. The remaining one here is the starting from the compressor. I'll connect it back. Okay. make sure whatever you lose on that air condition, make sure you know where you lose it out from, and make sure you copy it the same way you saw it. That's the key of losing and tightening. Okay. Alright, as you can see, I'm done tightening it back. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do on this video that will help me and also help you, I'm going to lose the compressor side of it. I want you to see what I'm about to check. Down here, oh, is this reflecting? Is this showing? Is this showing? Showing now, right? Down here is the compressor. This is the compressor. Compressor is the engine that boosts out the cooling of air conditioner. Now, there is something I'm going to lose here. Let's use the terminal cover. Let's check and see if there is any fault we are going to see here. Okay. What I'm losing out here is what we call AC overload. This is AC overload, and when you check very well, this overload, is it showing right? This overload has gone, and when you check, you see that fire or electric has spark that make this place to burn. Now, I believe so much, this now, I believe so much that this might be the problem of this compressor not starting. Stay tuned on this video. We are going to get another overload to put and check if this compressor is going to start. Stay tuned. You can pause the video. Right? You know what I'm supposed to don't end, pause. That's my viewers. As you can see, I'm back. This is the previous overload that got spoiled. And when you check this one is very good. And let's connect it together. Let's see if this compressor can start. Yeah. Okay. Put on the belt. Yeah, my viewers, we are about to pause the chair for us to test what we have checked. Bring it for me. When you check very well, the gas level on this compressor that has not started is 60 psi. If this compressor starts, it's going to shut down. That shows that the compressor has started. Okay? Can't you see? It's sucking down. This sucking down shows that the compressor has started. Alright, Alright, the area of the troubleshooting, I'm done with that, and I want to educate you again on how to refill gas. The gas level you have to refill on 1 horsepower window unit air conditioner. Let's do it together. Okay, when you do it this way, as you can see, it's going up. So it's showing right. It's going up. And when this bar is up, it shows that the gas is entering. You see that the gas is entering. When you lock it up, you can check. Yes, this is working. The gas is up again. The main reason you cannot leave it open constantly is because let the compressor not drop and burn. You know, when you open it electrically, you close it for the system to recycle for what you are putting on the compressor. Alright, initially we started with troubleshooting to find out what is the cause. I hope wherever you are watching, you should be glad by now that we got the result together. Don't first to comment, drop your thoughts, whatever you don't understand on this section, you drop your comments. I'm going to reply you to give you the solution. Now, what we are doing now is that we are refilling gas on the unit. Alright, my dears, I want you to see something on my gauge. The gas is currently on 60 psi, and with this 60 psi, this air conditioner is going to work well. You don't need to give it over gauge. When you give it over gauge, the compressor will be treated. So if you want to know the really gas level of 1 horsepower window unit, 60 psi or 65, that should be very okay, a normal balance for the compressor to run clean. Alright, my dear, this will be the end of the segment today. I want you to do what? While watching, concentrate how we did it bit by bit. This compressor, this window unit AC came for us for the clean of gas. When we are about to fill gas, the AC is not work. And you and I did it from shooting together. Now, we check the capacitor is okay. We now come back to overload. Overload was the main problem that made the compressor not to start. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video for it to get to someone out there that needs such help. We love you guys. This is Troubleshoot Services. We love you guys. Bye.